Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how you can earn 1,000 a day with your online store. I'm Tina, your trusted advisor at Sellvia. I've empowered over 3,000 clients to succeed in e-commerce. Let's unlock your store's potential together. Imagine waking up every morning to see your sales have skyrocketed overnight. Our client's store consistently generates nearly 1,000 daily, and I'm here to reveal how this was achieved and how you can replicate these fantastic results in your store. Let's get started with the first main point that will launch your store business into profitability. You know, everything starts with a good name. Your domain name isn't just a name, it's your brand's first impression. A premium domain can boost your credibility and visibility. So what exactly is a premium domain name? It's the one that is short, memorable, and typically comes with a .com extension. You can choose from our premium domains or use our AI-based tool to create a unique domain that resonates with your brand identity. And now let's dive into inventory, the second crucial factor for consistent success. More products mean more sales opportunities. Is that correct? Our client's store showcases more than 9,000 products. He constantly updates his store catalog, especially before big events and seasons like Easter. Moreover, offering a variety of products from tech gadgets and pet supplies to fashion accessories and even high-ticket items helps to attract a broader audience and increase the sales. At Sellvia, we've carefully selected and organized products into niche packs, brand packs, and seasonal packs to provide you with the finest selection available, all without the hassle of sourcing suppliers and tracking the trends. Next up, let's explore marketing, the most important factor for achieving outstanding results. Marketing is your engine for success. Without visibility, sales are just a dream. At Sellvia, we provide you with all the tools necessary for impactful marketing. Whether you prefer the DIY approach or need a hands-off solution, we have options for everyone, from beginners to pros. You can use our powerful marketing tools, including SEO, social media, email campaigns, and video promotions. However, if you'd rather have experts handle all marketing, we offer a comprehensive range of services. Our team can manage everything from creating social media accounts and securing backlinks to arranging influencer posts and publishing press releases on major platforms. Moreover, with Sellvia Ads, simply flip a switch and we'll start promoting your products across platforms like Amazon, Instagram, Google, TikTok, and Facebook, aiming at an impressive 2.5 to 3 times ROI. Isn't that incredible? Let's not forget about keeping your operations smooth with automated order processing. This feature is a game changer. It ensures that no order is ever missed. Each one is processed on time, and your customers are always happy. To make this process completely automated, all you need to do is to add funds to your deposit account. These funds will then be used to pay the suppliers automatically, ensuring seamless order fulfillment without any manual hassle. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your store runs effectively, your inventory is managed, and your orders are fulfilled, even when you sleep. Managing an online store can seem challenging, but with Sellvia, it's straightforward. If you ever feel overwhelmed or just have a question, don't hesitate to contact me directly or any of our support heroes. We are here to help you thrive. Imagine making 1,000 a day. With Sellvia, it's not just possible, it's within your reach. Thank you for watching. Ready to start your success story? Click the link below to become a Sellvia success story. Let's make those sales actually happen. See you next time.